Hello friends, I want to show you how to replace the hammer phone charging port. Let's start the work after the intro. First of all, need to disassemble the mobile using this type of tool. Sometimes, it's hard to disassemble the phone, then we can use mechanical oil for better performance. Unbind the screws. Unplug the wires and motherboard to repair the charging port. Now, keep the motherboard on this board and fixed for repair work. Now use a heat gun to remove the charging point plate. Use the heat gun and soldering wick to clean the inside. And then use a soldering iron to fix the plate. After that, clean that place. Now put the charging port plate in the correct position again and use a soldering iron to fix the plate. And work is done. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share with others.